jasonbrubaker.com, and in this brief video I want to show you how you can create custom fields within BirdSend. I'm super excited to be able to share this. This is really cool. So if you're like me, where you've kind of reached a level in your marketing where you want a little bit more functionality, but you don't need a full-on CRM because you're using a pretty good tech stack, what I'm doing right here is I'm creating custom fields and I'm mapping them. Because I use ThriveCart as my shopping cart, I'm actually mapping these custom fields to ThriveCart. Now these fields can be anything you want. Right now in this iteration of BirdSend, it's primarily text fields, but I can see in the future that this is going to grow and give you some really cool abilities, I would assume, to sort and all sorts of other stuff. But all you got to do to create a field, and I kind of just did it, it's self-explanatory. So I'm in custom fields here underneath the contact section, and all I do is I click new field, and this could be anything I want it to be. I could say I don't know, birthday, and because it's text, you know, I'm gonna have the ability, if I import a like if I import a CSV or a spreadsheet, I'll have the ability later to map it to this particular field. And I can do two things right now. And again, BirdSend is a relatively new email marketing company, but these, the folks that made it were actually behind a shopping cart that I used for years called Zaxa. And they got a really good tech team, and I really love their attention to detail and how they listen to customers. So as you can tell, I'm very enthusiastic about this. But all you do in this particular thing is when you create a field, you have the choice to either just make it a text, which would be, you know, just a small amount of information. Think about it like a spreadsheet. Or you could actually create a text area. And when you create a text area, that gives you the ability to write longer paragraphs and that kind of stuff. So, you know, a use case for that, and I've already created it here, would be notes. In notes, you would want to make that a text area. That way you could be like, hey, I just met... I just watched Jason Brubaker's video on how to create custom fields within BirdSend. Really good guy. I can tell he has a lot of enthusiasm. Would love to sign up for his email newsletter, you know, something like that. And you would put that in the notes eventually. Anyway, there's so much to unpack here, but hopefully this one was really helpful for you.